Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Channel today will be a very quick video, guys. If some of you have problems with the adaptive headlights, HID headlights on BMW E46, and you guys trying to find the adaptive headlight control, okay, also known as HID control, guys, and where the computer is located, stay with us. That's what we'll be doing today. In the meantime, guys, we'll be having more than 200 videos on E46. Why? Because our mission, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. So please, in return, guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment below, guys. We're constantly adding more videos. So let me show you now where things are and what we're talking about today. This is a 2005 BMW E46 with the HID adaptive headlights. Okay, that's what they look like. It says Xenon Headlights, HID headlights. So that's what we'll be doing today. First step, guys, number one that you want to do, disconnect your car battery. Car battery on the American version is in the trunk, disconnected. You want that battery disconnected before you remove that computer. Second, guys, you will need to go ahead and remove your glove box. Why? Because that computer is hidden behind the glove box. If you want to see the video how to remove the glove box, it's on the channel. We made the video so you can see it. You have 6 screws, you have 2 clips that you need to remove, and that glove box will come out. After you remove the glove box, guys, super simple. You can access your relays. You have your body control module, relays here, relays on the bottom, on top, excuse me. And if you need to bring that box down for some reason, there is one nut there and 2 clips on top. You pull it down and it comes out. Now, this little box right here, guys, this is your adaptive headlight control. So that tooth right here, press on it and pull it out, okay, at the same time. So let me just pull out. Perfect, this is it. So how you guys disconnect it now? Okay, this tooth right here, press in, slide that black thing over like that, pull the cables, okay, just gently pull them out, and this is your adaptive headlight control, guys, and this is the part number for our 2005 BMW. So that's how you guys remove it. Installation is in reverse order. We took it apart. If you want to see any programming videos or clearing codes for adaptive headlight controls, you can check it out, guys. We'll have it on the channel. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.